Hello everybody, this is JR here. Today I'll teach you how to fix BMW SUV's panoramic sunroof creaking noise. So as you know, it's winter in Canada now, and today once I cold started my vehicle, in the first 20 minutes of the ride, I heard a lot of creaking noise. So at night I did some research on how to fix it, and I'll teach you as well in this video. So let's get started. So this is what I have done. I cut the tape to a little piece and cut my Velcro and attach this little piece to the back of my Velcro, and I'll further cut it to half and put it to this spot. What I will do is to put this tape to this place, to here. As you can see, I already put it there, and do the same thing on the other side. Then you should be good. So I'm back. Just in 5 minutes, I solved this annoying problem. So if you're a BMW owner wants to fix this problem, you can try to attach some fields just like what I have done. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have questions, please leave down comments down below. And please remember to subscribe my channel, and more videos are coming. Thank you very much. See you next time.